Hello, welcome to Ireland. Now, welcome to Flower Juice. We're in Ireland today and I've been helping with a flower festival. So we're in the beautiful village of Buncranna in Donegal, and this event's gone on for 3 days, or going to go on for 3 days, and we've got lots and lots of beautiful displays that are going to happen. So it's really a way for the church to engage with people, to bring the community together, get people excited about flowers, and basically allow people to get creative as well. So today we're just going to have a little video to show you what has been made and share the experience. So enjoy.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
So I hope you enjoyed our little visit to Buncranna. Spark to Flame was the name of the actual festival. So it created a lot of interesting variations on that theme, and lots of creativity, lots of fun, nice pint of Guinness as well. So if you ever get the chance, come to Ireland, come to Donegal and just enjoy the scenery, enjoy the people, enjoy a Guinness, and enjoy the flowers. There's lots of beautiful gardens here, and if there might even be a flower festival as you're passing as well. So we've got a new video next week, and we'd love you to join us to watch that with us. And until then, take care, and we'll see you soon.